I'm out here hunting mushrooms in the Oregon coast with modern forager Kristen and Trent Blizzard. What'd you find, Kristen?
Fat little piggy. Look, it's got a baby friend.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Dang, that does look pretty. Ooh, on the bottom. That's fun.
Nothing like getting a little bottom tap, Gordon.
Hey there, you little piggy. You're beautiful. You like that, don't you? You're a good little piggy. Look at that. That's amazing. Ginger, what'd you find?
I found a really big porcini.
Show me. Oh, wow. Give me a tap. Ooh, can you wrap your hand around it just for scale?
Let's see. Top.
Nope, too big.
Oh, it's a little hollow inside. Darn it.
Give it a good tap and let's take it out and take a look anyhow. Nice. Whoops.
Oh, he collapsed.
Oh, no.
No.
Could be a dryer, though.
All right, the cap looks all right.
Yeah. Got tiny bugs. It is. It's gorgeous.
I'm sorry.
No, you're good. I like the commentary. Oh God, that's such a deep boy. I really got to get in there. Oh, wow, look at the stipe on this thing. Holy moly, I had to go all the way down from in the dirt and only that little top part was showing. So all this was deep down in the moss. I don't need this one, so I'm just gonna pop it back in there. All right, Kristen, what'd you find?
Ooh,
what is that? Poking out. Let me see, go get it. Trying to see the eyes. Through the woods, through your eyes in this moment.
Matsutake.
Wow, that's a nice one. Oh yeah.
Yeah, these are very firm mushrooms. Look at that, number one.
Whoa, yeah, because the veil's not open at all.
Yeah.
That's very cool.
Oh, they smell so good.
See, it's useful. You're getting all the sand off. Mm-hmm. It does have a purpose.
Actually, it does have a purpose. You're right.
Cool.
Oh my gosh.
Thanks. What's under this shrub? Oh, this is tricholoma. Not esquitare, it's focale. That's it. Ooh, wow, look how solid that is. That's wild. Related to a Matsutake, but it smells different. And not a very good edible. Kind of weird and spicy. Oh yeah. Ooh, look at this nice little mats. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Walk around here on the Oregon coast, and I swear it is just like a magical wonderland of moss and verdant green plants and just mushrooms everywhere you look. Whoops. Whoa, that's so orange. Holy cow. So green on top and so orange underneath. That's Lactarius deliciosus. Going here with pine trees. Very, very brittle too. Ugh. Yuck. Look at my hands. Ugh. Look at all of this moss. The whole ground is just covered. It's so soft and beautiful. Wow. Whoa. Look at that Phelodon. Little teeth underneath. Ooh, that's cool Phelodon. Good dye mushroom. Oh yeah, that's a good one. So my friend Trent told me there's a mushroom here. I don't know if I believe him or not, but what do you think, Trent?
Yeah, there's definitely a Matsi hiding right down in there.
All right.
It's popping.
Let's take a look. This is what he calls a popper. I dig down, and oh my God, he's absolutely right. So, hole number one. Check that out. Whoa. Big gnarly Lexinum. Not bad though. That's a scaber stock. Ooh, look at that Jonoporus. Just pop you right back in the soil. Thanks, bud. Up here on the Oregon coast, and I just found some massive Amanita muscaria. This is a nice big one. Look at that. Beautiful. But right over here are some other ones. And I'm wondering if this is muscaria and just kind of lost its color, or if this is Pantherina. But you know what? I think it's just got rain on a bunch. So muscaria is bright red, but when they get rain on a bunch, they can get kind of sad and floppy. So look at that.
Mammals, they can. Hang on.
Wow, look at this haul of mushrooms that Trent and Kristen have. Modern Forager just has mushrooms everywhere. There's wood ear, yellow feet, that looks like porcini, that's chaga, that's morels, more porcini, that's tremella. Goodness, they're just lion's mane. I don't know, maybe, no, those are chanterelles, cordyceps, more roots. Oh, that's a garicon, that's what that isn't yet. Amanita muscaria. It's just an entire closet full of mushrooms. I had so much fun mushroom hunting with Trent, Kristen, and Ginger. It was an amazing experience to be up in Oregon and see all the Matsutake in the dune habitat. We went home afterwards and made a really tasty meal out of Matsutake where I fried some kind of tempura style. We also made an amazing, super flavorful ramen broth with some pork and miso and all sorts of tasty stuff. And then I got a chance to hang out with their dogs. And in the morning, we had a wonderful chanterelle quiche. The Oregon coast is one of my absolute favorite places to go mushroom hunting. It's so gorgeous and an amazing place to explore.